He did a jump up.
You have to make it bend like this.
Now let's see the deadlift. Now let's see the deadlift. Muscle ups. Shit.
Almost.
Almost, man. Let's go, Sean. I'm gonna get it from the back. I take that back. Goddamn, it came out all wrong. If she get it from the back. Really, like, yo, man, what's wrong with this park, man? You know what I mean? Shit. We got Mike Lowry. Yeah, that motherfucker talking shit and shit. Let's go. Woo, behind the neck, baby. Yes, sir.
He went the other way. You could do the face on.
That's fine. That's fine right here. Different angles. You know what I mean? I send this to him and he can critic himself.
You got the back?
Yeah, man, I got the back.
You doing?
I'm going. Yeah, let's get the sex back, man.
Let's go. Okay, ladies.
Ooh, goddamn. That's a gorilla in Manila.
Let's go.
Shit, yeah.
Ándale.
Woo! Let's get the Polish going, man. Pulaski. Let's get that. Yeah, let's get to the General Pulaski. Let's go, Max. Let's go, Max.
Let's go, Max.
Yeah, buddy. Oh shit. Goddamn.
Remember that cartoon?
Damn. That's cold. Never know, huh? Let's go, Max. Nice. Nice, Max.
Nice.
Yeah. Keep your legs straight. There you go.
Leg straight.
There you go.
That's right.
You got it, Max. Tell you, Max got it.
Oh.
Oh.
I got to do something now. I got to do something.
I
see Max.
Yeah.
You still got enough, Max. John.
Max got a haircut too, goddamn.
Oh.
Let's go, man.
Let's go, Snakes. You're right, Sam.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Oh shit, UPS.
All right, yes, in the house.
Oh.
What can Brown
That's
do
it.
for you, ladies? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Oh, shit.
Ooh, if you want some brown, here it is right here.
You want the package with the legs. Using the legs, they can package it.
Oh shit, switcheroo right there. I see it.
Okay, that was nice.
Yeah. Yo, I saw the Fast and Furious. Okay. I saw Fast and Furious. Not bad at all. The movie Fast and Furious.
Oh, that's good one?
Yeah, man, it's okay.
Oh, yeah, I know them.
Yeah, Fast and Furious. I didn't think it was gonna be that good, but it's okay. Let's go behind the neck, man. This is Poppy's right here. Yeah, buddy. Yep. Let's go. Let's go. There you go. Nice pop.
Woo.
Nice pop. Oh shit. Over there, we're trying to get some triceps.
Dips in, man.
Yeah.
Get him again, Larry. Get him again.
Mike Lowry. Mike Lowry is like, yeah.
Larry said, yeah. They doing it.
Let's go there. Woo.
Yo, Larry said, show them Max doing it. But
I can't do those today.
Let's go. That's my guys.
I can't.
15.
Yeah, I can't do those dips today.
17,
I got a bench tomorrow.
19, 20, 1,
Yo, my bench is coming back.
5, 6,
Ever since I started eating,
8,
my shit coming back
9.
now.
Looking good. Listen, doing this, it has to.
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Cause I had lost
7,
my shit up.
8.
Where the fuck my
9.
shit at? Nice, yo. Nice, yo. Yeah, buddy.